If you get on the Harmony of the Seas without knowing exactly what you already paid for, you're going to end up spending on things you didn't need and miss out on the free food, free activities, and the hidden spots that most guests never find. So stick with me because this will change how you experience this ship from the moment you board. Welcome to CruiseAholics Anonymous. My name is Jen and I am a travel agent and avid cruiser. Harmony of the Seas is one of the crown jewels of Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class. It's a massive floating city with 18 decks, neighborhoods instead of just corridors, more than 20 dining venues, and activities that range from Broadway-level shows to water slides and zip lines. This is a ship that offers a lot, but not everything comes with your cruise fare in the same way. And because of that, knowing what's included and what's not does more than save you money. It's going to help you prioritize what actually matters on your cruise. First, let's start with what I like to call your core cruise experience. Now, this is what's absolutely included in your cruise fare. Let's start with your stateroom because a lot of people underestimate how much is quietly taken care of here. Your room is cleaned at least once per day and sometimes twice depending on the cruise line and your sailing. Your beds are made, your trash is removed, towels are refreshed, ice buckets are filled if you ask, and the room is reset every evening for nighttime. These are all things that you don't need to request. It's all built into your cruise fare. Your cabin steward is also your behind-the-scenes problem solver. Extra pillows, mattress toppers, towel animals for the kids, towel animals for adults, ice, robe requests, and even small room adjustments, all included. This is one of those invisible values that people forget to factor in. Next, let's talk about the free food. But before we jump into all of the free food, if you want more of the Harmony experience, neighborhood tours, room tours, specialty restaurant reviews, and all the things, subscribe now because I'm releasing new videos on every corner of this ship and you will want to see them all. The main dining room is fully included every night with rotating menus, classic staples, and nightly specials. And you'll see multiple main dining rooms on the Harmony, not because it costs extra, but because they divide guests across spaces. Breakfast and lunch are available in the main dining room on select days, especially sea days, and the experience for breakfast and lunch in the main dining room is a lot calmer and a lot slower than the buffet. Speaking of the buffet, the Windjammer Marketplace is your most flexible option. It's included for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it rotates its cuisine styles daily. One night may lean Caribbean, another night Italian inspired, another night comfort food. You'll find carving stations, international dishes, fresh fruit, dessert, and kid-friendly staples every day. It's all included, unlimited, and there's way more variety than most people expect. Also, guests can refill their water bottles here, grab coffee or snacks between meals, all without paying extra. And it's often overlooked for these small conveniences, which can save you a lot of time and money during busy sea days. Now let's get into the included food venues that people don't realize are included. Sorrento's Pizza is serving your classic New York style slices throughout the day and into late night with rotating toppings and personal sized pizzas. It's casual, it's quick, and it's included in your cruise fare, making it a perfect snack for between shows or after the bars close. Many guests treat it as a nightly ritual, and this is a surprisingly high-quality option that you don't want to sleep on. Next up, located in the serene Central Park neighborhood, one of my favorites is the Park Cafe. The Park Cafe offers soups, salads, sandwiches, and light bites, and these are all included with your fare. It's quieter than the main dining room and buffet areas, which makes it an ideal place for a peaceful lunch or midday break while exploring the neighborhood. The Cafe Promenade is a 24-hour included venue, and it serves coffee, tea, pastries, wraps, and small snacks around the clock. It's often used as a casual meeting spot, early morning caffeine fix, or late night grab-and-go option. The Cafe Promenade is really convenient for both food and people watching without paying extra. The Solarium Bistro is the adults-only solarium neighborhood, and it serves breakfast and lunch included in your cruise fare. The Solarium's menu focuses on lighter, health-conscious options and quieter dining, making this spot ideal for a calm morning or relaxed midday meal. The indoor and outdoor flow with ocean views gives this place one of the most peaceful dining atmospheres on the entire ship. The Boardwalk Doghouse is also an included casual venue on the boardwalk offering specialty hot dogs with rotating toppings. It's fast, it's fun, it's kid-friendly, it's perfect for families or a quick bite while exploring the carousel and the boardwalk area. Even adults enjoy it as a nostalgic, playful option that doesn't require a reservation. One of my favorites, El Loco Fresh on the pool deck, serves Mexican-style dishes. Tacos, quesadillas, all the Mexican-style sides. It's casual and it's perfect for grabbing a quick lunch between pool time, flow rider sessions, or deck games. A lot of guests miss this, but it's one of the best complimentary options for a fresh, flavorful meal on the go. You can also get free ice cream at the pool deck on deck 15. And if you like ice water and you're close to a bar, you can ask for cups of water at the bar. Even if cocktails aren't included, bartenders will provide free water if you ask. Now let's talk about entertainment, because Harmony of the Seas includes more live productions than a lot of people realize. Harmony of the Seas features a full Broadway-style production in the theater that spans decks 3, 4, and 5. The show used to be Grease, but now playing is Columbus the Musical. This is a full theatrical production with sets, costumes, choreography, all included in your fare. There's an ice skating show in Studio B on Deck 4. Now these are high-skill performances by professional skaters, themed specifically for the Harmony of the Seas. There's also the Aqua Theater show at the aft of Deck 6, which is included in your fare. You get high dives, synchronized swimming, acrobatics, dance, music, and it's one of the most visually impressive shows at sea. In the venue called the Attic on Deck 4, there are comedy shows and usually separated into family-friendly and adult sessions. This is included. Live music happens constantly. Jazz, acoustic guitar, piano sing-alongs, Latin bands, cover bands, classical music in Central Park. All of this is included. Okay, let's talk about daily activities, because a lot of people underestimate how much is actually happening that doesn't cost anything extra. Trivia runs all day. Game shows, scavenger hunts, dance classes, art auctions, cooking demos, fitness classes like stretching and basic workouts, karaoke, evening theme parties, all of these are included. For families, Adventure Ocean kids programming is included. Teen spaces are included, youth activities are structured and supervised, and that's a major value for parents. Adventure Ocean on Harmony of the Seas is fully included, and it's designed to keep your kids engaged for hours at a time with age segmented programming, so younger kids, older kids, and teens all have their own dedicated spaces. Activities can range from crafts to science experiments, to video games, scavenger hunts, theme parties for kids, late night events. All of these are run by trained youth staff. For parents, this is a huge value of this ship. Structured, supervised programming that lets kids have their own vacation while the adults enjoy theirs. Now let's go neighborhood by neighborhood, because this is where the Harmony really sets itself apart. The Royal Promenade on Harmony of the Seas is the ship's indoor main street. It runs through the heart of the ship with bars, cafes, lounges, and constant activity from morning until late night. This is where you're going to find live music, parades, pop-up events, spontaneous entertainment, and it changes throughout the day. This makes it one of the most energetic areas on board. And you don't have to spend a dime. Just spending time here on the promenade is going to give you a real sense of the ship's personality and rhythms. Central Park on the Harmony of the Seas is an open-air neighborhood filled with real trees, real plants, and it offers a calm, garden-like atmosphere that feels completely removed from the rest of the ship. In the evenings, this space will come alive with live music, ranging from acoustic guitar to string ensembles and jazz, creating one of the most relaxing nighttime environments on board. It's one of the best places on the ship to enjoy a drink in the evening, have a quiet conversation, or just sit and take in the atmosphere without all the crowds or noise. The boardwalk on the Harmony of the Seas is the open-air aft neighborhood designed to feel like that classic seaside pier. It comes complete with the ocean views and a relaxed, playful atmosphere. During the day, it's home to casual dining, the hand-carved carousel, and family activity. While at night, it transforms into one of the most visually dramatic areas of the ship. With the aqua theater shows, live music, and the ship's wake stretching out behind you, the boardwalk is one of the best places on board to feel the scale of this ship. The pool and sports zone on Harmony of the Seas is the ship's high-energy outdoor neighborhood, packed with multiple pools, hot tubs, and a bunch of sun decks for lounging and swimming. If you're a thrill seeker, you can find the Flowrider Surf Simulator, the Perfect Storm water slide, zip lines. There's also mini golf and a basketball court, all included in your cruise fare. So whether you're looking to just splash around, catch some sun, or join in some organized games and competitions, this area keeps the ship active from morning until evening. The Solarium on Harmony of the Seas is an adults-only retreat located at the top of the ship. This offers a quiet escape from the more busy neighborhoods. With loungers, shaded seating, and panoramic ocean views, it's perfect for reading, enjoying a coffee, or watching the sunrise or sunset in peace. Unlike the main pool areas, it has a calm atmosphere throughout the day, making it one of the best hidden gems for relaxation. Now let's briefly talk about what isn't included because context matters. Alcoholic beverages, specialty coffee, fresh squeezed orange juices, the spa, internet, specialty dining, casinos, shore excursion, and the shops on board. All of these are not included. You can have an amazing time on the Harmony of the Seas and not pay for any of that if you don't want to. Thanks for watching, and if you want to explore every corner of the Harmony of the Seas with me, from all the reviews to activities and the best views, hit that subscribe button and check out next week's video in the series. You won't want to miss what's coming up.